Alright, so we replaced one of the power legs coming from the meter going into the panel. This is our AC disconnect. And there's a new ground rod right here at my toe. See the utility bridge there. Here's our light box and receptacle box for the back door. This is the kitchen. We will have lights approximately center on these doorways. Probably more on the back door than the hallway door. Then we've got a middle row of lights right here. See, that'd be just off the edge of that laundry room. And then we'll have another set about 3 foot off the wall here in the kitchen. This will be your sink, so your garbage disposal, dishwasher will be around here. This is a switch loop for your garbage disposal because it will be GFI protected down here. You got one appliance circuit that hits there and right there, and your other appliance circuit is there, there, and I think we hit that lower box right there, and then of course you have your fridge. In here you have your washing machine, your dryer, and your water heater. There is no light in that closet. Coming back here, this is the bathroom. We'll have a light approximately centered on the sink. That box is right there. It'll be just a overhead wafer light. We'll keep it in line with this bath fan here and the second light, which is also approximately in line with the toilet. And we have a receptacle right next to the right of the sink. And you can't really see it on this side because of that bathtub there. There's one box in the bedroom, and then you go around to next to the panel. We still need a 30 amp breaker in the panel before we're finished in there. We got a box right there. I'll show you the boxes on this wall from the other side, but we have one of them right here. Oh look, we can see that one from this way. No light in the closet. There's our receptacle that's 2 feet from the door, and our light switch. There's our hallway switch, or receptacle rather. There's our light box and smoke detector. This hallway will switch right here with the outside, next to the outside. And then you'll have a switch right here for the kitchen, as well as a 3-way for your main hallway. So within just a couple steps coming out of the bedroom or the living room, you can turn it on there or at the front door. And then you also have lights on the front porch, about right in front of the door and the window, centered on the patio. Here is your other bedroom, one without the panel. Our wires are going up and down because we had lath on there initially. You got another receptacle there just to the left of the window. There's one within 2 feet of the doorway, and your switch box, and then your smoke detector for your bedroom and your hallway are right here. Again, we opted not to put a light in the closet. There is a hallway outlet near the kitchen, as well as one near the front door, right there. Then we go into the living room. There's one receptacle. You see another one. They've started to insulate already. That may be an issue when it comes to inspection. There's another one. There's another one. Well, it's covering us up just with the insulation. There we go. And the last 3 outlet boxes. And then there's nothing in the soffit. And then that's ready for a fan or a light.